Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can find resources for parents on Facebook. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Now, tap on the hamburger menu. Next, select the safety. Here, you can find resources for parents option. Tap on it. And that's it. This is where you can find the resources for parents on Facebook. You can find about the child protection policy and many more.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.